Hello everyone, my name is Hanu Sadewajati, and today I would like to tell you guys one of my most favorite stories from a movie called The Shawshank Redemption. It's a film about hope, friendship, and the strength of human spirit. The story begins with a man named Andy Dufresne, a quiet and intelligent banker who is wrongly accused of murdering his wife. Even though he is innocent, he is sent to the Shawshank State Prison, a cold and harsh place where many people lose their hope. At first, Andy struggles to adapt, because life in the Shawshank is not easy. Life in here is cruel, full of routines, and controlled by strict guard. But Andy is different from other prisoners. Instead of giving up, he slowly begins to build a new purpose for himself. In the prison, Andy meets Red, a man who can get almost anything inside the prison. If you give him money, he can get you food, drinks, cigarettes, or even drugs. Yeah, whatever you want. If you give him money, you can get that. Red becomes Andy's closest friend, and he is the one who tells us Andy's story on this film. He's like the narrator on this film. Their friendship grows over the years, and Red starts to admire Andy's calmness and determination. One of the most inspiring moments is when Andy plays a beautiful opera song through the prison loudspeaker. For a few minutes, every prisoner stops what they're doing and listen. The music makes them feel human again. Andy risks punishment, but he believes that hope is something that nobody can take away from you. As time passes, Andy used his intelligence to help the prison guard with their finance. Cause before he was put in on in the in Shawshank State Prison, he was a genius banker who has plenty of financial knowledge. And because of this, he is given special access to books and tools. Slowly, he built a library for the inmates, giving them a chance to learn and improve themselves. Even inside those prison walls, Andy keeps helping others. But the but I'm sorry. But deep inside, Andy never stopped fighting for his freedom. For almost 19 years, he secretly digs a tunnel in his cell using a small rock hammer. Every night, he hides the dust in the prison yard so no one notices. Behind a poster of a movie stars, the tunnel gets deeper and deeper. Finally, one stormy night, Andy escaped through the tunnel and crawled through a long, dirty sewage pipe to reach the outside world. When he comes out, he raises his hand in the rain, and finally, after years of suffering, he reached freedom. The next day, the guard discover Andy is gone. The warden is shocked. Andy had left behind proof of all the corruption happening inside Shawshank. The truth destroyed the warden's power, and the prison system begins to collapse. As for Red, he is finally released after many years. At first, he feels lost in the outside world, but he remembers Andy's words. But he remembers Andy's words. Hope is a good thing, maybe the best of things. Red follows a clue Andy left for him, and he traveled to a place called Jihuatanejo in Mexico. There, on a beautiful beach, Red finds Andy. The two friends reunite at last, starting a new life full of freedom and hope. For me, the Shawshank Redemption teaches that even in the darkest place, hope can survive. It reminds us that patience, courage, and true friendship can guide us through the hardest time. Thank you for listening to my story. My name is Hanung Sadawajati, and I hope this inspires you the way the file. I hope this inspires you the way this film inspires me. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.